Okay, this problem looks pretty difficult at the start, but you can set it up using equations for linear functions that we have, and you could think of this information as an ordered pair. For example, 6 units cost $58, so there's the ordered pair. Can you think of the ordered pair I'd use for the $78 and the 10 units? I hope you said 1078. And then they want us to find the ordered pair that goes with the 25 units. Now, does the 25 go in the X spot or the Y spot? Right there. And that's what we're going to find, Y. So, you know how to find the slope, right? So let's find the slope of these two lines. 78 take away 58, 10 subtract 6. What is the slope? 20 over 4 or 5? Remember, the slope is the change in the y over the change in the x. And then, you remember this formula, I hope. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So, I can use whatever values I want in terms of the x1 and y1. I could use the 6 and the 58 or the 10 and the 78. And I'm going to use one of these points with this point, and then I'll have one unknown to solve for. And then that will help me get an equation, which I can plug in and solve the whole thing. So, let's try plugging in these values here. So let's call this x1, y1. So y minus 58 equals m, which I figured out, times x minus 6. Do a little more solving here. Y minus 58 equals 5x minus 30. Let's do a little bit of more solving here. Y equals, do you know what y equals? How about 5x plus 28? Plus 28. So 5x plus 28. So now I have an equation for the relationship. What piece of information do I need to use from here to solve for the missing part? Hopefully, you remember that the 25 is the x. So the y equals 5 times 25 plus 28. Y equals 153. How much will it cost to produce 25 units? Hope you figure out that it will cost $153.